Is your Electrolux dryer not heating or drying properly? No worries, here are some easy tips to help get things running smoothly. If your Electrolux dryer was recently installed, here are a few things to note. With gas models, make sure the gas supply valve is open and the dryer has enough air supply to support the burner flame. Also, check there hasn't been an interruption in the gas service. If using LP gas, check the supply tank is not empty. Gas models should be connected to a 120-volt circuit. You can check installation instructions for more information about your model. For electric models, they should be connected to a 240-volt circuit. If connected to a 208-volt circuit, your drying times will be increased 20%. Here are some additional tips to resolve common drying or heating issues. Check that you have selected the appropriate temperature setting for your load. Remember, if your load is too big, it will take longer for clothes to dry. Check that your dryer has proper ventilation. Clean the lint filter after every use to avoid clogs. Do not use your dryer if the lint filter is blocked, damaged, or missing. Ensure the exhaust duct is not restricted. The duct must be at least 4 inches in diameter and made of rigid or semi-rigid metal. For electric dryers, ensure the dryer fuses are not blown. If the circuit is blown, the dryer drum may still turn, but the heater will not operate. On some models, the Eco Mode is activated with certain cycles, such as normal dry. You may want to deactivate Eco Mode to see if this improves your drying performance. Clothing items need room to tumble freely to avoid damp areas. It's recommended to fill the drum 1/3 to 1/2 full. This also helps reduce wrinkling. Remember, the fast dry cycles are for small loads. A large load will not effectively dry. Did you know drying times may be increased in areas with high humidity? If you're drying a large, bulky item like a comforter, remove the item partway through the cycle and turn it inside out. Place the item back in the dryer and restart. This will maximize the drying effectiveness. Seeking more information? Check out your use and care guide, visit us online, or call us.